Okay, before I move into the actual demonstrating the program itself, the software, if you like, I just want to go through the report, because this is something that is you need to understand. We all need to understand it. So one of the most important things, of course, is what we call the profit factor, and that's 3.2. In other words, for every one we lose, we can expect to win 3.2. Okay. Now, our percentage of total trades that are profitable is just about 60%, and the average profitable trade is 4,700. Yet our average losing trade is 2,100. The largest loss trade 6,200. The largest profitable trade 28,200. Now, I wanted to go through this report because if you do look at this, you can be frightened. But there's no need to be, because of what we call money management, and I'll explain that right now. Consecutive losses in money, 7,500. You could look at that and say, shit, I've just put 10,000 in the bloody account, it's had 2 losses, and it's it's reduced the account by 75%. I mean, that's just not on. I don't want to risk that. Well, what you've got to work out is that these are based on averages, and if we have a look right down here, we've got a lot size of 7.4. So therefore, when we lose, we're going to lose a whole lot more than when the lot size is 1. Now, the lot size is directly related to the balance. So, although that may say we had 2 consecutive and it came out at 7.4, that would actually never happen in the early stages when the account's at 10,000, for the simple fact that we're not risking anywhere near that amount of money, because we're only using 1 lot. And 1 lot with this currency pair represents about 7% of the account. So even if we did have at the beginning even 3 losses on the trot, which I believe would be highly, highly unlikely, but even if that did happen, we would only drop 20% in the account. Okay, so you've got to understand that these figures are based upon the average of the testing period, and as you can see, the lot size is increasing. In fact, I can quickly show you. Get 3. Oh yes, here we go. We obviously were up to 3.4 because the balance was 32,000, 33,000. But we took 2 losses, 2 consecutive losses, which the program then recalculated the risk, and we brought the lot size down to 3.2. Okay, so we won the next one, but this is called money management, where we are controlling the risk. The risk is always at 7%. So that's just to clarify that. So don't be worried that, oh my God, as soon as the money goes in the account, we start trading with 2 losses, we've lost 75%. That's that doesn't really mean anything.